Hello, my name is Rafiki Family, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record by using the ScreenPal app or website. You can use this website to record for any purposes that you need to record your screen for. I'm going to use it for my education purposes, and so I'm using it for my school. But yeah, the first thing that you need to do is to go to Google and you can just search it up. And there it comes. Here, if you haven't downloaded or installed the app, you can go here where it says install the ScreenPal app, or you can go just straight from to the website. That's what I'm gonna do. And from there, you have this page, and here I'm gonna go to where it says create. From here you can see the different things that you can do. You can screenshot your screen, you can screen record like I'm doing right now. You can edit your image or edit the video that you created. You can upload your content. So there's a couple of things that you can do from there. So I'm gonna click the launch recorder, and because I'm already recording, it won't show me what I need to do when I get to this. But when you click there, it will bring you to a place where you can choose to record only your voice. So there's a place where you can record only the voice without your image, your face being shown in the video. Or you can record only your face without showing the other things on the screen, or you can do both your face and the screen. That's what I'm doing right now. As you can see my face, and also you can see the screen that I'm on. So you have those options from there that you can choose. But it didn't show me here because I'm already recording. But when you go here on the launch recorder, you will see that, and so you can click that and choose the option that you want to do. But there is other tools here, other things that you can do. Again, the screen recorder, screenshots, video editing, image editor. There's all these other things that you can do. There's another place for education for teachers. So if you're a teacher, here is a place that you can do things that you can do. There is resources here for teachings, and here's for business. So business people also can do things here. And then there's more resources here too, and things that you can do in this app. So I think it's a very easy app to use. It's not very complicated. And so I hope that you were able to get something from this. Thank you.